Well, pediatric care close to home can be very important for families in Central Texas, so Seton Medical Center Williamson is helping out. Joining us is Dr. Meena Iyer, a pediatric hospitalist up at Seton and also at Dell Children's, I believe, right?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, so why is it so important to have pediatric care so close to home?
We have a very big pediatric population up in Round Rock, and pediatric kids, they're very different. The illnesses are different, so you need a specialized training team trained in pediatrics to take care of them. So it's very important that you have something close to home rather than have families drive all the way up down to Dell Children's Hospital.
How does this program work? I mean, is it just easy for parents to admit a child?
So usually the parents have to go through the Williamson ER, and then we, the pediatric hospitalists, are also at Dell Children's. We see the patient in the emergency room, and if we consider the child needs to be admitted, we get them admitted to the hospital at Seton Williamson.
You know, any indication of the need for this? Was there a growing demand?
There was a significant growing demand, and with Dell Children's Hospital pretty much being full all the time with increased wait time and a booming population of pediatrics up north in Round Rock, we decided to open up this 8-bed unit at Seton Williamson.
And what about the staff? They must be pretty nice to have to deal with a lot of maybe sick kids, right?
It is, and so the team is the same team that rotates through Dell Children's Hospital, so we are specially trained in pediatrics, and the team consists of the pediatric hospitalists, the therapists, the nurses, child life specialists, so it's a team, so it's very much catered to the needs of children.
So I got to ask, what is a hospitalist?
So a hospitalist is a pediatrician. It's your physician in the hospital. Like you have a pediatrician or a physician outside in your clinic, and we are the physicians who take care of you in the hospital. So we are your primary care doctor in the hospital.
What kind of things are you seeing? What are the most common ailments or injuries for kids?
So the most common is dehydration, fever, asthma, then with the winter season, bronchiolitis, upper respiratory infection. So those are very, very common. And as Dell Children's is getting more bigger, we get more complicated patients.
We got a big holiday weekend up. You got any warnings for parents and for kids?
With the heat coming up and being so hot outside, I would advise putting on sunscreen, staying indoors, staying pretty much hydrated, and be careful when your children are playing around in the pool.
And remind us again where we can find these centers.
It's at Dell Children's Hospital and the Seton Williamson Center. The Seton Williamson Center is on 201 University Boulevard at Seton Williamson and at Dell Children's Hospital.
All right, Dr. Iyer, thanks for being with us this morning. I appreciate it.
Thank you.